Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Josephine de la Peña and I am the second reporter. And I'm going to discuss about the questioning techniques. So, effective questioning is the cornerstone of the successful inquiry-based learning. Teachers must be skilled in various questioning techniques to actively engage students, promote critical thinking, assess understanding, and foster a deeper comprehension of the subject matter. A diverse approach to questioning, adapting to student responses and learning objectives, is the key maximizing the effectiveness of inquiry-based teaching. So the art of questioning is the most important aspect in this strategy. The teacher must be well exposed to various ways of posing questions to students. Having known the different questioning techniques, teachers are assured of the success of their inquiry. Gershon 2014 identified the different questioning techniques that social studies teachers can use. First is might question. What might history be? What might be the answer to the social issue? This question does not limit the possible responses among the learners, but rather, it opens up a range of possible responses, allows learners to reason out. Their answers may not be, but their explanation might put all the things right. Including the word might signals the learners that they need to use critical thinking to create arguments relevant to the questions. The second is what if question. What if there is an earthquake? What shall we do? What if you became the mayor? What program shall you implement? These kinds of questions bring out the creativity, speculation, and rationality among the learners. It allows learners to think in a totally different perspective that is usually grounded on what they believe in. It could be a great way to assess the learners formatively because it allows them to answer based from the learning they had. Next is different roles question. You are the judge. Will you give your verdict in favor of the suspect? You are a teacher and you are expected to guide your learners. If there is a naughty pupil, will you spank him or her? This type of question allows the learners to have glimpse of possible roles they might portray in the real world. This strategy is a nice presentation of the outside world and gives the learners the chance to evaluate themselves. And the last is Socratic questioning. These of revealing falsehoods, scholars divided Socrates' question into four types. Questioning styles combines all the aforementioned form of questioning. Socrates has been known in history as the master of incessant questioning to achieve wisdom. So throughout his life, he spent so much time asking people questions for the purpose. So here are the four types of Socratic questioning. First is gadfly questions. This allows teachers to ask several questions to push the learners to answer questions. So, gadfly questions, it provokes deeper thought and challenge assumptions. They act like a gadfly. In Tagalog, it is a bangaw. So, a persistent insect that bothers its prey, constantly pushing the learners to think and rethink. So, these questions are often a series of interconnected questions, leading the learner through a line of reasoning. They often start with basic questions and then become more complex. Here are the gadfly questions. What are the elections all about? How important is it for people to participate in the elections? What if people were not all allowed to vote? What will happen? So, when you reach the legal age, will you practice your right to vote? Next is stingray questions. These questions lead a sudden change in the course of questions. Sometimes this is associated to drift in the situation. Stingray questions introduce a sudden shift in the direction of the conversation. It forcing the learners to reconsider their initial assumptions on perspectives. Stingray question often introduce a new element or challenge that wasn't initially considered. They can also be used to expose inconsistencies in the learner's thinking. Examples are, you said that love is the answer. Will love change the situation of the poor? Imagine that poverty is not applicable to your case. Would you still pursue your career as an artist? Next is midwife question. From the name itself, these questions are used to elicit new ideas to the learners. Midwife questions. From the name itself, the questions are used to elicit new ideas to the learners. So midwife questions is to draw out the new ideas from the learner and encourage them to elaborate on their thinking. The teacher acts like a midwife, helping their learner give birth to their own ideas. So these questions are often ended and encourage. They ask the learner to expand on what they've already said. Examples are, that is a very good point. Can you elaborate it further? How might the idea change the lives of Filipinos? What made you say that idea? So, next is ignoramus questions. In here, teachers play dumb for them to elicit responses among the learners. So, ignoramus questions, it is to create a space for the learner to explain their thinking in their own words. The teachers act like someone who doesn't understand, prompting the learner to explain their reasoning clearly. These questions are often phrased as if the teacher is confused or needs clarification. So, example of ignoramus questions are, I don't understand. Can you further explain it to me? So, do you mean that? What does your answer mean? Socratic questioning encourages students to analyze information, think critically, and justify their beliefs. It shifts the focus from the teacher to the students, making the learner an active participant in the learning process. Socratic questioning can help students discover their own ideas and perspectives, leading to deeper understanding and personal growth. It encourages teachers to learn these techniques to effectively guide students toward critical thinking and deeper understanding of the world. By learning to address inquiries, learners can appreciate problem solving and critical thinking. Hence, there is a need for social studies teachers to learn how properly use questioning skills to fully attain the goals of social studies education in the Philippines.